Hi all, welcome to our class. We have studied what is percentage. Percentage means per 100. Now we are going to study what is simple interest. We usually deposit or take money from bank. So in that case, we will have to pay or we will get interest from the bank. So how to find simple interest? So there is a formula for finding simple interest. Simple interest which is equal to principal into rate into time by 100. The money borrowed or deposited we call principal. So if there is an amount of money, we can find the simple interest of that money using the formula. Simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time by 100. So the money borrowed or deposited is called principal, then rate time divided by 100. So let us discuss some questions, then you will get how to find, you will understand how to find the interest of when we borrow or when we deposit money. So let us take a question. Rohan takes rupees 8,000 at 12% annum as a rate of interest. Find the interest he has to pay. Find the interest he has to pay at the end of 2 years. At the end of 2 years. So Rohan takes rupees 8,000 at 12% annum as a rate of interest. Find the interest he has to pay at the end of 2 years. So Rohan takes rupees 8,000 from the bank at 12% annum. At 12% annum. So 12% is here. At 12% annum as a rate of interest. Find the interest he has to pay at the end of 2 years. So we have to find the simple interest. The amount or the principal is rupees 8,000. So let us write the principal. So we can use formula. Simple interest we can represent by I, which is equal to principal. We can use P. Then rate R, time T by 100. P R T by 100. This is our formula. Principal into rate into time into 100 divided by 100. So interest is equal to P R T by 100. So here P is equal to 8,000. He borrows 8,000 rupees. Then rate 12%. R is equal to 12%. Then time after end of 2 years, we have to find the interest after 2 years. So time is equal to 2. So using the formula, we can find the simple interest. So we have simple interest I is equal to P R T by 100. P R T by 100. So which is equal to principal. Principal is 8,000. Rate 12%. So R is 12. T next is T 2 years. So we find 2 by 100. So 8,000 into 12 into 2 by 100. We can cut these two zeros. Then 80 into 12 into 2. 80 into 12 into 2, which is equal to, we will get 1920. So the interest after 2 years, the amount he has to give, that is the interest he has to give is 1920. So using the formula, principal into rate into time by 100. I is equal to PRT by 100. So the answer is 1920. Next question. Rupees 3,500 is given at 7% per annum rate of interest. Find the interest which will be received at the end of 2 years. So rupees 3,500 is given at 7% per annum rate of interest. Find the interest which will be received at the end of 2 years. Here also 2 years, rupees 3,500 and interest is 7%. So P is equal to 3,500, R is equal to 7%, T is equal to 2. So therefore interest is equal to PRT by 100, P into RT by 100, which is equal to P 3,500, R 7 times 2 by 100, T is 2 years. So we can cut these two zeros. 35 into 7 into 2, the answer is 490 rupees. So the interest is 490 rupees. Now this is interest. Then if we borrow some money or deposit some money, then what the amount we have to give back? So we have to find the amount. We know how to find the interest. Interest we know interest is equal to, I is equal to PRT by 100. So after borrowing money, when we give back with the interest, what amount we have to pay? Amount. The formula for finding amount is equal to principal plus I. Principal plus interest. So the amount after 2 years or 3 years, after second period, we have to give back, that is amount is equal to principal plus I. We know how to find I is equal to PRT by 100 plus principal, that is the total amount we have to give back or we will get after a certain of period. So let us discuss some question. The question is that rupees 7,000 is borrowed at 3.5%, is borrowed at 3.5% rate of interest per annum, borrowed for 2 years. Find the amount to be paid. Find the amount to be paid at the end of the second year. At the end of second year. So rupees 7,000 is borrowed at 3.5% rate of interest per annum, borrowed for 2 years. Find the amount to be paid at the end of second year. So we have to find the amount. We have two formulas. Interest I is equal to PRT by 100 and amount is equal to principal plus interest. That is the final amount. Principal plus interest. So the question is find the amount. So we have to find the interest, then adding principal and that interest, we will get the amount we have to pay at the end of second year. So first we have to find the interest. I is equal to PRT by 100. So P is 7,000. R is 3.5. T 2 years. Then you have to find I is equal to P, 7,000 into rate 3.5 into T is time is 2 by 100. So when we cut these two zeros, then 3.5 into 2 into 70, we will get rupees 490. You also got 490 rupees as interest. The question is find the amount. Amount formula is P plus I. P is 7,000. So amount is equal to 7,000. P plus I. 7,000 plus I is 490. So after 2 years, he has to pay 7,490 rupees. So 7,000 plus 490, 7,490. So amount is equal to 7,490 rupees. So interest I is equal to PRT by 100. Amount means principal plus that interest. So here the question is find the amount. So amount is equal to 7,000 plus 490, which is equal to 7,490 rupees. So interest is equal to PRT by 100. Amount is equal to P plus I. You have to keep in your mind these two formulas.